Hello and welcome back everyone. I hope you're all doing well. We're returning to the southern mid-latitudes of Mars, to an area called Argyre Planitia, to a new site on Nereidum Montes. There's a weird anomaly in this one, guys. Let's see what you think about these. The photograph we're analyzing here is called Hollows and Multilevel Gullies near Argyre region, acquired on the 11th of November 2011 at 25.3 centimeters per pixel, and I'll be showing images are cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file, just under 650 megabytes in size. There's a look at the low-res black and white, the strange gullies visible over here to the left, and the anomalies I'll be showing you are found on the slope of this depression and some over here to the right of this area. The site is located right there on Nereidum Montes at 40 degrees 41 minutes south, 49 degrees 41 minutes west. We'll have a look at some of the other anomalies around this area towards the end of the video. There it is, folks. It could be a natural phenomenon, but if you look at the geometry and symmetry of this object, it looks pretty much like a carved face or a sculpted face. The whole item is about 15 meters long and about 9 to 10 meters wide. Check out the what looked like hollows of the eyes over there, the eyebrows, and like a mask or a nose type of effect over here to the center. If you remove that part here to the right, it looks pretty much like a face, with a strange part there on the top of the head. You can see the center of the eyebrows there too, slightly raised. So what are we looking at here, folks? Some type of sculpted face, a structure of some kind, or is this just pareidolia? There's some other faces I discovered on Mars. We all know about the face in Cydonia. Then I found this half a face in Asimov. If you mirror that left part, looks like that, folks. I call this the mechs. The Cydonia face I call the artists, and then this strange phenomenon in Gale Crater looks like a face of Chewbacca. Check out the eyes and the nose. Looks very furry, doesn't it, folks? This is about 1.5 kilometers wide, and I call those the Wookiees, located on the equator of Mars. So are we looking at depictions of ancient civilizations that once inhabited Mars, or is this just coincidence, folks? Let's have a chat in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think of this theory of mine, that there could have been 3 or 4 different civilizations on Mars. And we're looking at another block there, guys and girls. This is about 12 meters long and about 10 meters wide at the base. Check out the right angles to it, uniform depth to this block, and on top of it, right there in its center, we've got that protrusion or knob. We've seen that all over Mars. We're looking at another block there, guys. This is about 4 by 5 meters in size. You can see right angles to it, smooth, flat surfaces. What the heck are we looking at? Natural phenomenon? I don't know, folks. Check out the block over there. About 10 meters long and about 4 meters wide. Get the right angles to it. Got a hollowed out part over there in the shape of a rectangle, and then a small protrusion or knob in the center of that side. Another block over there, folks. This is about 15 meters long and about 8 meters wide. Look at the uniform width on this one side. Seems to be lying on top of two smaller parts there, elevated above the surface, and it's got these two long hollowed out rectangular parts to it, and through the center we've got that long narrow part parallel with this one side. Wonder if this is part of it. Looks like some type of metal that's been crumbled up. Who knows what that is? We're looking at a long, narrow, rectangular base structure there, and a small rectangular part lying across it diagonally. So let's zoom in on that piece. It's about 12 meters wide and about 15 meters long. Get the symmetry and geometry in that base there, folks, and then diagonally across it we've got this rectangular part there, and then lots of right angles to these objects lying over here, folks. Got an L-shaped piece there, got this disc-shaped anomaly underneath it, and another L-shaped part over here in line with this piece. Dark spot over there, could that be a hole? Is there some type of wreckage or a ruined structure of sorts? We're looking at this huge rectangular part there, folks. It's about 15 meters long, and it's got this rectangular part carved out of the center. These parts lying next to one another, parallel with one another, inside what looks like a rectangular opening to that piece. And then this huge part, this is about 30 to 40 meters long and about 14 meters wide. Get the disc shape over here to the one side, right angles to this piece over here to the left, and then this half a disc shape piece looks as if it connected to that bigger part, and then this depression over here to the top right. It looks like some type of structure. Then this triangular part, it's about 20 meters wide and about 20 meters long, and it's also got this rectangular hollowed out part here on the one side. Check it, the right angle there, folks. Right, down to Argyre Planitia, to Nereidum Montes. There's the high-rise photograph we analysed, folks, hollows and multi-level gullies near Argyre region. And there's a summary of those anomalies, folks. High strangeness again. Let's have a look at this site over here to the top right. The site is also on Nereidum Montes. Check out this strange part. Highly artificial looking on top of a rectangular base. The way these smaller objects have been arranged in an arc coming off the one side there. We're looking at another sculpted part on top of a rectangular base there. And then this weird blocky item in that photograph as well. And then let's head down to the south. Get the row there, folks. Similar objects arranged in a row. Look at the equal distance between those. In this part, looks almost like an opening in the surface. And the area here in front of it looks disturbed, like there was recent activity there. strange geometry and symmetry in that piece. Get the opening over here on this part. This looks like some type of metal. And then these two parts, that looks like wreckage. Check that out there as well. We won't know for sure until we go there, folks, to check these out firsthand. And then a bit more down to the south to get these three pieces. Dark spots on them. Unusual part here, with a hole in it, and what looks like a spherical object lying next to that hole. Multiple pieces over here. Get that L-shaped part. Again, this looks like some type of structure, or maybe even wreckage, who knows. And then one other site. This is where I found another one of these strange items, consisting of two large parts, like a rounded part here on the right, gap between the two, and a small part over there on the center of the one side. In others that I've found, that part bridges that gap. Another hole in this piece. This looks almost like a huge nut. Small spherical object lying there next to that hole. Another block. Check out those, folks. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. To my new subscribers who joined recently, thank you, much appreciated. And then to all my veterans, thank you for your continued support. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Ciao for now.